Hey everyone, and once again, welcome to WSQ Tech English channel. Myself, Umar Taskir. Guys, in this particular video, we are basically going to talk about some of the tools that can actually help us in creating images or the creative for Facebook ads. So, we'll be talking about some of the very popular tools like Canva, Trello, and then there is another tool which will help us in creating professional product mockups. So, we'll be talking about all these things, and we'll be also exploring some practical steps with regards to these tools, that how can we actually create our creatives for Facebook ads on these tools, and what are the different templates and designs available with these tools, right? So we'll be talking about all these things in this particular video. And these tools are like free for some time, or free for limited time period. Then you have to pay, or you can buy any group buy tool system through which you can also access these tools, right? So you have both the options. Now, before actually starting this particular video, I would like to request you to please do subscribe this channel, and don't forget to press the notification bell so that you do not miss any one of the upcoming digital marketing related video, right? So as you can see over here, I'm over here at the Canva. So you can also log in into your Canva, and if you will go over here, you will see the different programs or different plans that they have. Right now I am assigned into the free version of this particular tool. As I just told you, if you want to buy it cheap, you can use any group tool, and then you can buy Canva from there, right? Same goes with Trello also. These are two very popular tools, right? So we have different templates over here within Canva. So you can create different images for social media, for events, for marketing purpose, for documents, or order prints, videos, schools, personal. There are so many things, and along with this, if you want to start with a fresh blank canvas, you can also do that thing. And you can go ahead and click on this custom dimension. From here, you can enter your own dimensions, and then you can start creating your creative over there, right? And if you are very much specific, and if you know where you are going to use that creative, or on what placement, that we actually discussed in previous few videos, that on what placement you actually want to use that creative, you can select that placement from here, and it will by default load those dimensions, and you can then further make changes over there along with the template also. It's not only about the dimensions of the canvas, it's also about the template, right? What we can do is, guys, we can go ahead and we can click on this social media over here, right? And on the social media, we can click on this Facebook post, and you will see it will load a canvas with 1:1 design or 1:1 layout, right? And then we can go ahead and search for the templates over here, right? So we can type anything which we actually want, right? So if we want to run ads for like education, we can select education over here, and then we can find out some creatives, right? So as you can see, you have to scroll down, and you have different creatives over here, like templates over here. So you can select any one of the templates which you want, and you can start with that thing, right? So it will be loaded up over here, and then you can start editing that template. You can add text, music, other elements. You can upload your photos on that particular thing, kind of logos and everything on that particular template, and or you can make changes on those templates also, right? So you can do all those things according to your requirement, but you have that option, right? And then you can go ahead and click on this arrow button to download it in different formats. So it will give you a choice through which you can actually download in different formats. We can go ahead and search restaurants over here, so that we can find some templates related to restaurants. Now you are having so many templates over here, right? So what we can do is, now we can click on this. So suppose if you are an ice cream parlor and you want to advertise, you can go ahead and select these kind of templates, and then you can advertise, right? So we have Canva over here that can help us in creating beautiful creatives for our Facebook ads, right? So we can create the creatives from here, and as I told you, you just have to click on this arrow, and then you have to select your file type from here, and you have to click on this download, and your creative will be downloaded. Now you can use that creative into your Facebook ad. Now you can also use mobile application for Canva. Canva do have their mobile application also. If you want to make some slight changes, you can go ahead and make changes through their mobile application also, right? So we have Trello over here, and as you can see over here, we are at the home section, and then we have templates over here. So you can enter any keyword to find the different templates that you want to work on. Or what you can do is, basically you can go on the home section over here, and here you have Facebook post, you have Instagram post, you have Square video post. So all these different posts you have over here, you can select any post according to your requirement, or any post of what we can say is basically any placement, right? You can select any placement, like we can select Facebook post from here, and then we can use different templates which are animated also, right? So let's select something, then you will be able to understand. Let's select this particular template over here, and this one is the template. You can make changes according to your requirement. As I just removed this image from here, you can also do those kind of things. You can go to this animation section, and according to your requirement you can put some animations also, right? So if you want to use this arrow, as I just told you, if you want to use this arrow somewhere in your creative, you can go ahead and use this arrow, right? Or you can simply click on this play button over here and you will see how this animation actually works. Then you have this particular arrow over here, right? So what you have to do is basically you have to see where this arrow is going to look better, or where you can actually implement this arrow, and then you can click on this play button, and now you will see some animations in this arrow. Along with this, you can use some videos also. You have different videos over here which are free. You can use these videos according to your requirement, and you can also add some text or some other elements, some other animated elements on these videos also, right? So now coming back on the template section, you have different templates over here that you can use, or you can search from the different templates, right? So you have all these options. Now what you can do is, let's come back over this home page, and you will see your recent designs over here. You have some feature templates over here. You have newest templates over here. Then you have Instagram posts over here. You have Square video posts over here. And now you can also use these video posts into your ad as creative. So let me select something. We will go on this view all, right? And then we can type anything, right? Like we can type restaurant. Now let's see what kind of videos we are seeing over here, right? So you can see this is again a video template basically that you can use in your ad creative. So you have to check this video template. So you have other templates also over here. You can use these templates anywhere you want, and you can make slight changes also in these templates. So you have so much of options over here. What you have to do is you have to go and explore. I'm just giving you the names of the tools. Like I've given you the name Trello, and then I have given you the name Canva also. You have to explore different features and different options which these tools have, and then you can go ahead and create your creative. Because if you do not know much about the professional tools that can help you in creating images or creative for Facebook ads like Photoshop or any other professional tool, if you do not know, then you can rely on these kind of tools, and these are pretty good actually, and these tools can actually help you in creating good creative, right? And another very important thing, you can create multiple creatives in like a short span of time, and you can test all those creatives, and then you can find your winning creative, and you can move accordingly. So this thing you can also do with these kind of tools, because they are very user friendly, just kind of a drag and drop interface, and you can create your own creative, right? And if you have anyone to help you with the Photoshop or any other Premiere photo editing tool, then you can take the help of that resource. Otherwise, I'll recommend you, if you want to create creatives, you can go ahead and create creatives using Trello or Canva, right? Then we have another tool over here which is like smartmockups.com and /mockup. So you have different mockups over here. So what you can do is you can put your design, logo, name, whatever you want, you can put it over here, right? As you can see over here, you can customize this scene according to your requirement, and then you can download this thing, right? So if you want to use your branding, if you want to use some images, you can go there and use these things, right? You can also play with the colors and everything. So we have different mockups over here, and these mockups are of like different designs and different layouts. So now I'm going ahead and clicking on this all mockups. You can see there are different categories of mockups which you can actually customize, right? So like we can go ahead and click on this e-learning bundle, and you can see you have different mockups over here. Then according to the books, you have different mockups of the books over here. You have different mockups of TVs and screens over here. So whatever you want, you can do these things, right? You have business card related mockups. So whatever your requirement, these all things actually depend on the requirement. So I've given you the different sources, and according to the situations, according to the requirements, you can use these different sources, right? So these are the different tools that will basically help you in creating wonderful images for your Facebook ads. So that's it for this specific video. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.